Okay, now here in question number 11, the diagram shows the circle with equation x square plus y square equal to 20, and tangent touches the circle at point B and C, passing through the point A, which is 0, 10. The equation of this tangent is of the form y is equals to mx plus 10. We have to find the possible values of them. Now, as these tangents and circles, okay, tangent is intersecting the circle at point B and C, I can say that equation of tangent at point B and C satisfies equation of circle also. So, equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to 20. What we do, we replace this y with mx plus 10, okay, and we will solve for x. So this is equals to 20. Okay, now here I have to find, okay, so this equation will be x square plus m square x square plus 20 times mx plus 100 will be equal to 20. Okay, so here this is the quadratic equation like 1 plus m square times x square plus 20 mx plus 80 is equals to 0. Now, y is equals to mx plus c is the tangent. Okay, that is the tangent. So, that is the tangent. That means it is intersecting circle at one point only, and as it is intersecting at one point, our discriminant should be equal to 0. So, this 20m square minus 4 times 1 plus m square times 80, this should be equal to 0. So, therefore, here it is 400 times m square minus here it is 320 minus it is 320 m square should be equal to 0. So, I will say that 400 minus 320 is what, 80. 80 m square minus 320, this should be equal to 0. So, therefore, 80 I will take common, m square minus 4 should be equal to 0. So, therefore, this gives me m is equals to plus or minus 2. So, the value of m here is either plus 2 or minus 2. Okay. Now, let us go to the next part of the problem. See, this is the first part. I have to find the two possible values of m. So, one value is plus 2 and other is minus 2. So, here your slope is going to be 2, here it is going to be minus 2, as this is a positive slope, and here this AC shows you the negative slope. Okay. Now, second part of the problem is find the coordinate of B and C. So, now we have to find coordinate of B and C. So, at point B, what I can say that coordinate of B and C. Now, I know line tangent equation of AB, I know the equation of AB, and I know the equation of circle. So, if I simultaneously solve these two equations, I will get the desired result. Or is there any other way that I can do? Okay, I will do one thing. Here I will say that equation of AB So, and this find the coordinate of B and C. So equation I have equation of now the value of m I know, value of m square I know. Just a minute. Let us move to the previous part of the problem. Now here, as this is tangent, we got this. Okay, so I will write this equation, and this equation, in this equation, value of m is +2 or -2. Now +2 will give me the coordinate of point B, and -2 will give me the coordinate of C. So I will write 1 plus m square x square. Here we have 1 plus m square times x square plus 20 mx plus 20 times mx plus 80 plus 80 is equals to 0. Here m is equals to 2. Here I will say that here m is equals to 2 will give coordinate of B, and m is equals to -2 will give coordinate of C. Okay, so first I will replace m with 2. So therefore 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4 is what, 5 times x square plus I will use 2, so it is 40x plus 80 is equals to 0 will give me x is equals to, so this is the quadratic equation, and in this quadratic equation coefficient of x square is 5, then 40, then 80, so x is -4, or okay, x is -4, that's it, because here it is a tangent, no? So it will give me one value only, x is equals to -4. So therefore y is equals to mx plus c, implying y is equals to 2x plus c is what, 10. This implies that y is equals to, now I put x is equals to -4, so -8 plus 2 is what, 2. So therefore for point B, its coordinate is -4, 2. Okay, now I will substitute m as -2. So therefore also for point C, we have 5 times x, value of x we will put value of x, no, we have to find value of x. This is 5x square minus 40x plus 80 equal to 0. This will give me the value of x. So here in this equation, the second point, we will use -40. Okay, so I will get x is equals to 4, right? So x is equals to 4. Now y is equals to, here the equation is y is equals to -2x plus 10 will imply that y is equals to -8 plus 10. It is -8 plus 10 is equals to 2. So for point C, the coordinate is going to be 4, 2. So I have the coordinate of point B as -4, 2, and coordinate of point C as 4, 2. Done. Okay, now the final part, last part of this particular problem. The point D is where the circle crosses the positive x-axis. Find the angle BDC. We have to find angle BDC. So again, I will just see the diagram first. I have to find angle BDC. Okay, let us move this diagram from here, this much portion, to our problem. Then it will be little easy for us to calculate. Yeah, okay, this is better. Okay, so point B, here we get the coordinate of point B as -42, point C as +42, and point D is where the circle touches the x-axis. So point D, if you wanted to find the coordinate of point D, so here the value of y is 0, so x square is 20, x square is 20, so x is root 20, 4 5 is 20, this is 2 root 5 comma 0. This is the coordinate for D. You have to find angle BDC. So where is B? B is here. This is the point B. D is here and C is here. I have to find this particular angle BDC. So now I know the coordinates, all the coordinates. So as I know the coordinate, I can find out length, and I can use cosine rule to find this. Is there any other way that I can use? Let me think a little bit. One more way I can do that, if I'm able to find this angle BOC, okay, then this angle BDC is half of that. BOC is angle subtended by this arc BC at the center, and BDC is the angle subtended at any other point. So if I am able to find this angle BOC, then it's easy for me to find angle BDC. Now how I will calculate this angle BOC? I don't know the arc length. I don't know the arc length. I know only the length of this BC. This is -4 comma 2, this is 4 comma 2, so this total length is going to be 8. Okay, this much I know. We also know the center of the circle. The center of the circle, this radius is what? It's 2 root 5. This also we know, it's 2 root 5. So 2 root 5, 2 root 5. So I can find the angle at the center using sine rule or cosine rule. Okay, I will say that cos of this angle BOC, cos of BOC is equals to cos of angle A is equals to, here it is 2 root 5 square plus 2 root 5 square minus 8 square whole divided by 2 times 2 root 5 times 2 root 5. So 2 root 5 square, if we use if I use 2 root 5 square, 4 5 are 20, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 minus 64. I'm doing something is incorrect. R square is 20. Now here the coordinates are minus 4 2 and 4 2. Cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2 to C. I think the formula which I am applying is okay. What is cosine rule? Cosine rule is what? Cos A is equals to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC, something like this only. A is what? This opposite side. Two times 2 root 5 is 8.9. Okay, the cos A can be negative, no problem. Okay, so here it is BOC. This formula is correct. Everything is correct. I was confused. Actually, negative value is possible. Negative value for cos is what? It is in the second quadrant or angle. I will say that more than 90 degree. So here it's 40 plus 40. 5 for the 20. No, 20 plus 20. 40 minus 64 divided by 2 to the 4 to the 8 by 40 divided by 40. So it is minus 3 by 5. So this is minus 3 by 5. So therefore angle BOC, the angle BOC will be equal to what? It is cos inverse of this minus 3 divided by 5. So cos inverse of this minus 3 by 5, I will shift cos inverse of answer minus 3 by 5. I will get answer as 126.86. 126.86 degrees. So therefore the angle BDC. So therefore angle BDC is equal to half of this 126.86. So divided by 2 is 63.43. Is this value is 63.43. 43 degree angle BTC. Angle BTC is 64.43 degree, right? Done all the problems we had done in this question.